up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today we have another Shiftpower installation to this 997 Porsche GT3. This one's very special because it's a 997 super rare GT3 model, and we've been doing a lot of Porsche videos these days and we just want to keep on growing that market. So let me show you how to install it on another 911 997 model that you see over here. It's going to be very simple. It's going to be very similar to the previous install we did on the other 997 Turbo. Actually, probably exactly the same. So let's go inside the car. Let's not waste any time and get started. All right, guys, so before we get started on this, grab your key, especially after you just driven your car, turn off your car, get out of the car. You can lock it and then unlock it so that we can ensure your car is asleep, because we don't want any signals going through the acceleration pedal while we're doing the installation. If there is, you may end up throwing a check engine light initially, and we don't want that. So just make sure your car is asleep when you do this installation. So we did this lock and unlock. Another way to do it is after you've driven your car, keep your driver's side door open and move your key fob far away where the car can't detect it, and wait for about 15 minutes. Okay, all right, so after you do that, let's go inside the car. Let's locate where the pedal is, how to remove the pedal, and how to connect this. So if you look down here below, if you like, you can remove your carpet. You'll find this Phillips screw up here. So let's remove it. Very easy. Just grab any like medium-sized Phillips screwdriver, turn it counterclockwise. All right. Okay, and once you remove this, we're going to remove the pedal. Just grab a hold of this firmly, and we're going to pull up. All right. And after we do that, flip this to the side here, and you'll find this connector. You're gonna remove this connector. There's a release tab here. Push down very firmly and pull out. Okay. Make sure you push really firmly. It's so hot. Okay, here's the trick. I learned the trick. All right, so when you're removing this, the trick is face this pedal this way so that you see the clip up here, and then the bottom portion of the connector here. Use your left hand, push the release, and you're gonna use your right hand and push up. Like that. All right, guys, so we have the throttle response controller here. Let me show you how this part connects. So we have two ends, one female and one male. And this part here will go to the pedal. It's the male side. The female side will connect to the car side. Just connects like this. All the way. Okay, connect like this. Okay, clip in. Make sure you hear that click. Okay, and before we go back down there, let's connect our shift power button. Okay, all right, let's go down here. Okay, let's connect this side. Very easy, I'll just snap into place. Okay, and let's mount our pedal back in place. Lining up to the hole. Okay, I feel like it needs to go down more. Okay, there it is. All right, so that's that. All we have to do now is zip tie this away from your acceleration pedal or any of your other pedals so that it's not in the way while you're driving. And we're going to route this button, okay, right here to the side. So let me do that now, and you can use the supplied zip ties to do all that. All right, so what I did was we showed you how we connected the connector here, and then right above it there's a little plastic piece with a hole in it from the factory car, from the car side. So we use that as a zip tie point right above it, and we route the cable all the way up. So we mounted the module behind this, and then we also zip tied that up top. Now what we're left with is this button here that we are going to mount. All right. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if I could do that once I get older. I end up breaking my back.
Stretching.
Yeah. All right, so all we're left is this button here. So for this customer, we are going to hide the button behind this panel. Okay. If you want to mount the button to where you can see it, you can definitely do so up here. Okay, that's a good spot. You can mount it here, hide the cable behind it, okay? Or around here somewhere, that'll be a good spot. But if you don't wanna see it, and you wanna hide it from other people from seeing it, and you wanna keep this mod a secret from your wife because you might get in trouble for spending more money on your car, then you can. Just hide it under here, okay? But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna leave it out right here so that we can see the color and we can show you how to set it up on the vehicle. All right, and let me finish this up by screwing this Phillips screw back into that hole right there. All right guys, so we went ahead and finished installing our Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller. Let's turn on the vehicle and get your phone set up. First, if you haven't already, go ahead and download the Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller app. It's on iOS App Store or Google Play Store. And once you do it, come to this screen and press this car icon. Okay, here it is. Go ahead and connect. All right, so it's gonna ask you for a password. You can either get it inside the instructions manual or you could get it on the module itself. Our module is packed away, so let me grab the instructions manual. Grab the password from here. I'm gonna connect. All right, and once it's connected, select your vehicle. All right, and then let's confirm that it's working. If you press the button, okay, there it is, driving in different modes. Looks like it's working. Let's turn off the car and turn off the engine because we don't want to suffocate, and let me show you the rest of the features. All right, so we installed this device on a lot of different Porsches, so we're gonna use a clip from our other video to show you exactly how it works because it's very, very detailed. What's up guys, Eric from BSonic. Today we have here a 2014 911 991.1 GT3, and I want to show you our Shiftpower Throttle Response Controller. It's compatible with all ranges of Porsche vehicles, ranging from mid-2000 all the way till present. And let me do a quick demonstration of how it works. So we have the button mounted here. Right now the vehicle is in the lock mode, so the immobilizer is turned on. We like to keep this on just because when we park the car, it just gives that extra level of anti-theft deterrent if the vehicle somehow gets turned on by the thieves, and they won't be able to drive off with it. That's how much acceleration it's trying to give, but the shift power is not giving any. And from here, you can control exactly how much throttle response you want from your vehicle, that much more. So depending on how aggressive of a driver you are, how much more acceleration you want from your vehicle, it's just everything just at your fingertips. You can also put it in valet mode, so when you're valeting your vehicle, you don't want the valet driver flooring your car, going for a joyride down the street. You turn on the valet mode, so it restricts them the amount of acceleration that they have while they're parking your car. And let's put it back into the lock mode with the immobilizer turned on. All right guys, you guys saw how easy it is to install this on your Porsche. It will literally take you about 10 minutes to do so, and it's all plug and play. And right off the bat, you will feel the difference on the way your car drives right away. In addition to that, it has those security feature for another layer of anti-theft. And they also have a cool valet mode, so when you valet the vehicle, the valet driver won't be able to floor your vehicle. Small package packed with a lot of features, and at the same time, very, very affordable price. So if you guys are on the fence on purchasing this, don't hesitate, give it a try. You will not regret it, and you will love the product as much as the other thousands of people who have this installed in your vehicle. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or email us at info@bsonicusa.com. If you haven't yet, help our channel by liking and subscribing. this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.